And welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SIRC, TOMDF, ILAG, TOP, MEGL, HKD, HSCS, AIHS, and GDRX. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here. First up, tomorrow we've identified a low float NASDAQ small cap biotech trading under 50 cents. We're expecting major fireworks on the NASDAQ tomorrow. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or click the link below in the description to sign up for all of our alerts. The best part is all of our alerts are free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1+ area code and number. You also, by signing up, you will also get the free Insider Financial Guide to penny stocks. But when it comes to penny stocks, I mean, the one I've been pounding over and over again all weekend, last week, the past 2 weeks, has been SIRC. This has just been on an incredible move. And the thing is, this bull run could just be getting started. If you go back to 2021, the last bull market, this one ran to $3. And, you know, even though it has crashed down and went down to 15 cents, the best part is this company has been doing blockbuster revenues. They're on track for the first 5 months of this year. They've done $110 million in revenues. That's about $22 million a month. But the best part is, if you look at what the company had to say in its last press release in March, the remarkable sales growth we have seen in 2022 as driven by effective marketing campaigns and strong operational execution across our integrated family of companies. The company believes our annual sales run rate could potentially exceed $400 million by the end of 2022. $400 million, people. How many OTC companies are on track to do those kind of numbers this year? Our focus to prioritize solar and EV charging segment growth will further serve to supercharge our long-term potential. I look forward to continued operational execution in the months ahead as we strive to create sustainable long-term value for our shareholders and strive towards listing on a national exchange. Hint, hint, NASDAQ big boards. NASDAQ or NYSE. I mean, this company is just knocking the ball out of the park every which way. They are building shareholder value, and you know, it's finally waking up. People are starting to pay attention. We have been all over this one. You can just go into the magnifying glass, type in SIRC, and all of our coverage on SIRC comes up. So it's just been incredible. I've been talking about it over and over again on this channel, on the website. Congrats to all that have listened. You know, again, not financial advice, but you know, did your own due diligence. And I mean, it's just, the writing was there. I mean, everything told you to buy SIRC. And, you know, if you look at the long-term chart, again, you know, even though it's at 59 cents here, you know, it's had an incredible run from 15 cents. You know, it's a triple over the last 3 weeks. There's just a lot to like with SIRC, and we think this move could be just getting started. And, you know, especially if they file to uplist, you can get the institutions on board. There's just a lot to like with SIRC. Next up is TOMDF. This is one we were pounding the table on last week. Our biotech analyst, Chris Sandberg, was out with an article, Monkey Stocks Heating Up the Charts, TOMDF, APDN, and CODX. The company put out a press release today that they announced first 2 contracts for their PCR-based monkeypox testing at the CLI/CAP Clinical Testing Laboratory Provista Diagnostics. So their monkeypox PCR test getting contracts, getting notice. I mean, everything is about monkeypox right now, and TOMDF has the testing capabilities for monkeypox. But if you scroll and you look at what Chris had to say, he talked, the 2 runners are APDN and TOMDF. Going here, now he says TOMDF is a different situation. The stock was clearly held down by a toxic note holder. This is TOMDF, that appears to have sold his last share going into the close, according to some posters on Reddit. If the seller is gone, the stock will gap up and keep going because it has hundreds of millions of dollars in assets in its biotech division. There are also compelling case reports of patients that have gotten better using their dietary supplements for COVID-19 and long COVID. Given the technical turn at the bottom and lack of a structured seller, TOMDF should seek an equilibrium point price much higher than here. This could be a 5-bagger, even with 1.2 billion shares in the outstanding share count. Just read the case studies of the Tolavet as a rescue supplement for Paxlovid rebounds. That's a huge market. Paxlovid is what Biden was taking for his COVID case. So, guys, you really need to do your homework on TOMDF. When you do, there is a lot to like with TOMDF. Go to insiderfinancial.com and read what Chris had to say about monkeypox for yourself. Then do your own due diligence. But a lot to like with TOMDF. Next up, guys, up 40% today. I told you about, over the weekend, ILAG, up 40%. Congrats. It's all right there. Guys, I talked about it. And I was telling you what happened. So HKD was the Hong Kong stock that went from $13 to over $2,500, for over 19,000% in gains. When you get that type of move, everyone then goes looking for the next Hong Kong stock runners. And we've been getting that. MEGL, TOP, again, these are all Hong Kong stocks. Top Financial Group Limited, Financial Capital Markets Hong Kong, up 102% today. MEGL Hong Kong, again, incredible runner MEGL. So this is the sector that is right now just producing these types of rallies. We identify, I gave you guys a freebie over the weekend, ILAG, but if you want more of these types of runners, you gotta go to, click the link in the description. We send out full reports, during the week of these types of plays that we think have enormous potential for our subscribers. And again, we run a completely free service, guys. So, click that link in the description, signup.insiderfinancial.com. What else we looking at here? HSCS, nice day today, up 55%. Guys, this is a trader, plenty of trading opportunities, a lot of volatility. I'd be day trading this right now. It's a momentum play. I think that's the best strategy with HSCS. There's just 5 million shares in the float, and today we had 23 million shares traded. So again, almost 5x the float was turned over today. So again, great day trading opportunities in HSCS. AIHS, this is another 5 million share float. Nice move today. just a $12 million market cap. So again, this is another China play. Just financial credit services. This is the sector right now that is, again, producing huge gains. Lastly, guys, is GDRX put out earnings after the bell. Market really liked it. This has a 76 million share float, which is higher than we normally like. But what's impressive, about 24% of the float is short. That's a $180 million bet by the short sellers right now. They're going to get squeezed tomorrow. Look at this chart. I mean, this one was it's got a 52-week range of 562 to 4805. This one can really get going. Major short squeeze potential. So GDRX, keep this on your radar screen for tomorrow. And speaking of tomorrow, at the opening bell, we're going to release the report 30 minutes before the opening bell. So if you can trade pre-market, you get that opportunity. We have a NASDAQ biotech trading under 50 cents that we really like. A lot of catalysts. We think it has enormous potential. To get the full report, click that link in the description or in the pinned comment, and you will get the ticker symbol and our full report so that you can do your own due diligence. With that being said, good luck tomorrow to everyone. We really like Monday's price action. We're excited about the markets. As we said over the weekend, markets are on fire. Strike while it's hot. It's so important. Take advantage of these opportunities while you can. So again, while the markets are hot, we're gonna be here at InsiderFinancial.com sending out our free reports and again covering all these plays in our videos. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great night, and let's rock Tuesday. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.